I've personally used the MITO Pro. I have used it on clients with great success. So if you're not sure, it is the best red light therapy device that I've personally used, that I've seen. MITO is on the kind of top echelon for quality red light therapy brands. If you want, you can also use the discount code SYNC-THERAPY if you want a little bit more money off of it. But it is essentially the Toyota of red light therapy brands. It's well built, it's sturdy, they stand behind their products. It has been certified and tested for essentially what they say it does, which not all red light therapy brands do. But let's get into more of it, of why I think it is probably one of the best and easiest for the majority of people to use. But it is incredibly easy to use. 2 buttons essentially, and you are locked in, you are ready to go. You can use it that way. The interface of it is so easy. My dad can use it, and he doesn't have a computer, no cell phone. It is just 2 buttons, you press and go. So I've already hit start, and then that's what that pops up. All you have to do is you just have to hit the play button, and then that is it. They have other options if you want to go into it more, but that is more if you're getting kind of finicky with it. That'd be something like myself would use, that I understand a little bit more of it and I want specific wavelengths. But the majority of people, you just use mode 1, which makes it very easy. You'll get the 6 wavelengths that they offer, which is usually about 4 more wavelengths than other red light therapy companies use. But like I said, all you got to do is you just have to hit that power button, that play button, and then that's what that is. It's strong. It has got a decent weight to it. First time that I used it, I was having back pain after lifting pretty much a lot of stuff around the house, and I was just having a lot of very tight achiness and kind of sharp pains in my lower back. Put it on for 15 minutes and then laid down onto my stomach because I was doing a lot of lifting, and then no more back pain. I've used it on my shoulder. Usually a lot of baseball stuff, rotator cuff tear, something will be inside of there. Once again, that gets it down. It gets it down quite fast, which is quite nice. I was using that pretty consistently as well for the shoulder and just a general wellness. And I started to notice the side of my cheek, side of my face was it was tighter essentially, which is quite nice. Nothing that I care about right now, but just on a general standpoint, it works well from it's super multiple use. You can use it for aging, you can use it for skin, you can use it for inflammation, you can use it for pain, recovery from surgery. If you are somebody that kind of just generally doesn't feel that well, you can use it. You just get so much more benefit of it. It's not super expensive comparative to the full body ones. I think it's a little bit more than just like a general 2 wavelength one, but you get quite a bit more benefit from it. We'll take a look at it a little bit more. It's super, like I said, it's so easy to use. It's about, I'm not sure the actual height of it, but I am 6'4". For comparison, and you probably get about just under half my torso area. So super nice, very easy to use. And now, yeah, I just so many people can use it. I enjoy it more than like a face mask, just because it's a little bit more versatile. Unless you only like specifically want just skin in your face, you can still get all the benefits from a face mask plus some. Because I mean, aches and pains are going to pop up. You can technically use the face mask other places. You're just not going to get all those extra wavelengths. Like they've added the 590 wavelength to the Pro X, which is there are a few other things, but one of the easiest thing for most people, the difference is they have another wavelength versus the Pro, which is their already award-winning red light therapy panel. So basically, you get 6 wavelengths, 3 red light therapy ones, and then you get 3 of the near infrared lights. Usually the red light therapy from the wavelengths, the lower, so like the 590, the 630, and the 660s, those will start penetrating the different depths of there. So you'll get more of the skin benefits, like skin rejuvenation, the different wound healings with the 590, with the 630. It's still more of a shallow in comparison to the near infrared. But you also get like the collagen production of it. You'll have And when you go into the 660s, so you basically get all these blends of the wavelength, you get all the extra benefits from red light therapy itself in one of the small devices. So I like the 660 for the anti-inflammatory benefits of it. And now you kind of, as you're going lower with the different wavelengths, you get like the 810, which is a deeper tissue penetration. You'll get more circulation into there. With the 830, you get more of the joint pain relief. So if you got arthritis, if you got bad knees, if you got lower back stuff, I mean, everybody has that. The more research that is popping up nowadays is usually if you have something like that gets inflamed after workouts. Say if you got like a meniscus tear in your knee, that chronic inflammation can increase the chances of severe cardiac events. So most likely probably like a heart attack would be that's it's just pretty much like a slow drip throughout your vascular system. But you can use red light therapy and you can still get systemic benefits.